It's me, Teacher Zheng. Welcome to today's art class. So this will be your lesson for the week. We're about to draw a classical drawing of an eye. It's a close-up version. We are going to include the study of one-point perspective to our drawing so you guys could learn two principles all at once. So your lesson or the objective will be we want a drawing to have a measurement of 3 inch by 6 inch. So the height will be 3 inch and the width will be 6 inch on your paper. That will be the actual drawing size. Now, for the middle, to do this, let's just switch a pencil to 4B. Switch color to yellow so you can see it. So we want the single point perspective to be in the middle of your paper. Wait first. Just turn it to yellow like this. I want this one to be in the middle of your paper. You don't technically need to measure it exactly, but if you want to measure it exactly, that's okay. But if you want to do freehand, that's also good. And then after that one, now you could create those line, which is a crosshair in the middle of this 3 inch or 6 inch, and then cut the 3 inch height into half. And then after that one, you could follow through with your X mark, and then another one which is closely to this area. Now, once you're done with the one point perspective and its vanishing lines or vanishing point, you could now start working on the construction drawing of your reference. For the construction, always start with the basic shape, which is square, and then after creating a construction, then you could shape your drawing or the eye drawing. So at first, what will you create here is a square for the basic shape of the iris or the eyeball. Then you need to create a rectangle shape for the size of the eye. Make sure that this one is a little wider. So this one is a little wider compared to this one. So this one will be a little bit shorter. And then after you're done with the construction, then you could shape your drawing by using oval shapes or curved lines. So construction will be mostly square and rectangle shape. Trying to polish your construction drawing, you are going to use curved lines and oval shape. Pay attention to the distance of your eye, which is the left part and the right part. The left part will be wider or higher. The right part will be a little bit smaller. Now this one, the eyelid will just follow through, especially the upper eyelid fold and the lower eyelids. Do not forget the eyelashes on top and the eyelashes on the bottom. Now, once you're done with the construction, what you need to do is slowly pay attention to the shading of your construction drawing or your reference picture. Try to get as much detail on the middle part, which is the eyeball or the iris. Take your time. You could use different kind of strokes on this one as long as you try to follow where the dark areas and the light areas would be. You could slightly modify this highlight if you want to, because it's a reflection of a light bulb from the way I see it. And then everything else is just a shade of dark and light and medium tone. So the main objective here is to learn perspective drawing, which is a single point perspective with its vanishing point, and then applying it into an academic principle drawing, like a classical drawing with an eye reference, studying the measurements, and then working on the shadows. So this is Teacher Jeng. That will be your lesson for the week. I will add more reference or instructions on this drawing as the week goes on. So I will see you guys on your art classes. Up until then, this is Teacher Jeng. Bye.